Hi everyone, before this video starts, I want to remind you that I currently have the Hoagland & Sons Mark II chronograph, which I designed for sale. If you're interested, check out the link in the description. This is the kind of sequel to the watch that I designed as part of a successful Kickstarter campaign in 2019. I think you'll all be very interested in this watch. It has been an absolute joy to create. Again, check out the link in the description and we'll resume the rest of the video. Hi, this is Brandon from Watches on You. Today we're taking a look at the Breitling Avenger Chronograph Night Mission. We're here at Continental Diamond in St. Louis Park, where this watch is available on sale brand new for $6,035. We'll be dropping a link in the description to their website as well as, so you can check out this watch as well as many of the other watches from the premium brands that they sell. But now let's jump right into this review. So as I said, this is the Breitling Avenger Chronograph Night Mission. It's clearly very military inspired because of the color scheme and just the font and everything about it. And I think it's a really cool watch. It harkens back to some of the Breitlings of old, meaning kind of probably the 90s and then early 2000s with its utilitarian style. It has a diamond-like carbon-coated titanium case, which kind of makes it appear a little bit more modern, and some of the lines and fonts used on the watch are a little bit more modern in appearance. I really like this piece. It's clearly a very tough watch. It's got 300-meter water resistance. Everything is brushed, which is a big thing because that kind of hides scratches and then also kind of hides fingerprints and dirt a little bit better than just a polished watch would. So this is for probably someone with a lifestyle that is a little bit adventurous, which is clearly in Breitling's demographic. And I think that this will be a pretty successful watch for their brand. I mean, it appears extremely high quality in person. I mean, it's very, very impressive. And I think the price is fairly reasonable. It does have an ETA-based movement, so that's one drawback. But overall, just with the finishing of the case you're getting, and again, you're getting 300-meter water resistance, I think that is pretty reasonable value for this piece. To kind of start out with the rest of the review, I'll demonstrate the chronograph. A lot of people love to see that. Typical kind of ETA fit and feel to it. There's not much to speak of there. It's very reliable, easily serviceable. You could get it serviced by pretty much anybody, probably any watchmaker who's familiar with chronographs. So that's a big plus with this piece. I'll stop the chronograph again with the top pusher and then reset using the bottom. Overall, again, I wish the movement was in-house. That would be definitely an added benefit, and I think it could justify the price a little bit better, but the fit and finish of the case is still very impressive overall. One thing, it is a rather large watch. It's 45 millimeters. It definitely feels 45 millimeters, especially with the pushers, which would kind of protrude into your wrist. But it's still reasonable for a chronograph. There are larger Breitlings, that's for sure. I do wish it was slightly smaller though. Maybe a 43 would be nice. I'll try it on the wrist now. It has a very comfortable fabric strap. So, and as you can see, it's a fairly thick watch. You might struggle to get it under a shirt cuff, but I don't think this is really meant to be worn when you're dressed up to the office. It's definitely more of an adventurous kind of piece. I have about a 6.5-inch wrist in circumference just for reference here. And I think it looks a little bit big on me, but if you have a little bit bigger of a wrist, it should look great. Thank you for watching this review. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks again.